Last 5 years, I have been doing intermittent fasting. And so what happens is I work out very, very early in the morning, but then I don't eat. My first meal is at 2 p.m. And then I eat from 2 to 10. Now, then the times I don't eat in a fasting period, which is a 16-hour fasting, I drink amino acid drink.
Juice first up and then coffee about a half hour later after meditation, and then feed the dogs.
Yeah. Well, that's like the no breakfast thing.
That's just don't eat breakfast.
I just have juice, like a green juice.
And the coffee.
I did something called intermittent fasting, and I ate from like noon to about 6 p.m. That was my window to eat. And what did I eat in that time? Pretty much just healthy, boring stuff.
Did you know that some of the biggest viral celebrities swear by fasting as their secret to staying fit and maintaining their health? Yes. For them, it's not just a passing trend, but a dedicated lifestyle choice. You might be surprised to learn that Jennifer Aniston, Pratt, Kourtney Kardashian, and Terry Crews all practice fasting. Whether it's intermittent fasting, water fasting, or other forms, these celebrities believe that controlled eating windows help them with weight management, anti-aging benefits, and improved metabolism. Some of them have even credited fasting with boosting their mental clarity, energy levels, and overall well-being.
Me in great, great shape. They found scientifically there's a thing called autophagy. Autophagy is when the cells in your body are rebuilding themselves. It's one of those things where when you go without the food, it's really strengthens your cells. The cells are trying to rebuild and they're trying to do their thing, and it's a wonderful thing. It's kind of like renewed. Once it's done digesting, the body's done working with food, it starts to work on other cells in the body. I can feel the difference. I literally can put pictures of myself now versus pictures of myself at 22 years old, and I look and feel much better right now.
But not everyone in Hollywood is on board with this trend. Many viral celebrities completely reject fasting and prefer other ways to stay in shape. Stars like 50 Cent, Jay-Z, Kim Kardashian, and Lil Boosie have openly relied on intense workout routines, high-protein diets, and specialized nutrition plans instead of fasting. They either don't believe in the benefits of fasting or consider it unnecessary and potentially harmful to their bodies. So why do some of the world's most famous celebrities follow fasting religiously, while others avoid it at all costs? And more importantly, what do medical experts and doctors have to say about this growing trend?
So is this your first meal of the day? It's now almost 6 o'clock?
It will be, yeah.
Really? You haven't, no breakfast, no lunch?
No.
Because?
Well, because it's clear, based on thousands of years of human existence, that eating less is, if it's not starvation or malnutrition, it's good for you.
Because why? What does it do?
So we didn't know why it was good for you. We thought that it was slowing down metabolism, but it's not the case. What's happening is it's turning on, when I'm not eating, or if you choose not to eat for a meal or two, you're turning on the body's defenses against aging.
Today, we'll take a deep dive into the fasting habits of Hollywood's biggest names and uncover the real health risks and benefits behind celebrity fasting trends. Is it truly a powerful health hack, or is it just another overhyped Hollywood obsession? Let's break it all down in today's video. Now that we know some of the biggest names in Hollywood who practice fasting and those who completely avoid it, let's break down their reasons, lifestyles, and the science behind their choices. Jennifer Aniston. The Friends star follows intermittent fasting, 16.8 method, and has publicly stated that she does not eat anything in the morning except coffee and juice. She believes it helps with her youthful glow, energy, and digestive system. Pratt, the Guardians of the Galaxy actor, has spoken about practicing fasting as part of his religious beliefs as well as a health routine. He follows intermittent fasting and has mentioned feeling more energetic and leaner. Kourtney Kardashian, known for her obsession with fitness and health trends, Kourtney follows both intermittent fasting and keto-based fasting. She claims it helps her maintain a lean and toned body while boosting her metabolism. Terry Crews, the Brooklyn Nine-Nine star, swears by fasting, following a strict 16-hour fasting window daily. He believes fasting helps him stay lean, muscular, and maintain mental clarity. Hugh Jackman, the Wolverine actor, followed intermittent fasting during his intense training periods, eating only in an 8-hour window to stay shredded for his roles. Gisele Bündchen, the supermodel, follows fasting routines as part of her wellness plan, often incorporating detox fasting to keep her body in top shape. Celebrities who do not follow fasting. Why do they avoid it? Scent. The famous rapper has always focused on high-protein diets and intense workouts. He has never supported fasting and believes in eating more. Protein to build muscle mass. Jay-Z. The hip-hop mogul is known for his luxurious lifestyle, which includes a high-end diet with rich foods and no restrictions. He does not follow fasting and has never promoted it. Kim Kardashian. Although her sister Kourtney follows fasting, Kim does not. She follows caloric deficit diets, but believes in eating frequently to maintain her metabolism. Lil Boozy. The rapper has openly stated that he does not believe in fasting or extreme diets. He eats as per his liking and focuses more on workouts than restricting food. Big Meech. The well-known personality follows a traditional diet without restrictions. He has never promoted or followed fasting as a health practice. Beyoncé. While she has done detox diets in the past, Beyoncé does not strictly follow fasting. Instead, she focuses on structured eating habits and balanced meals. Benefits of fasting. According to experts, weight loss and fat burn. Fasting can help reduce body fat by forcing the body to use stored energy. Cell regeneration and anti-aging. Studies show that fasting helps the body in repairing damaged cells and slowing down aging. Mental clarity and focus. Many report improved cognitive function due to better insulin sensitivity and ketone production, better digestion and gut health. Fasting allows the digestive system to rest and recover, preventing bloating and acidity.
If we actually are giving them all the food throughout the day, they're thinner, but they don't live longer. So you need the fasting to upregulate the mechanism for aging.
Well, the trick to longevity is a term called hormesis, which is a little bit of stress on your body, biological stress. So running, bit of hunger, cold, heat, puts your body in a state of perceived adversity. So you don't have to hurt yourself, but you put your body in a kind of a scared state. Oh my goodness, I could die if this continues. And then they turn on these defenses against aging.
So, what do you think? Would you follow the celebrity fasting trend, or do you believe in eating regularly like other celebrities? Let us know in the comments.